Hello friends, welcome to Fin Ideas. Today we will learn long butterfly strategy. Long butterfly means buying a low strike call, selling a middle strike call double quantity, and buying a higher strike call, all having a same expiry. The objective of making a long butterfly, we are having a range bound outlook on the market or stock. We want to profit from defined fixed range for market or stock. Taking limited premium risk. Maximum profit is also limited. We will get profit between the range we have traded. Formulation of strategy. Let's say for example, if Nifty spot price is rupees 5,000 and we make following trade to make a call butterfly. First we buy one call option of Nifty 4900 strike, that is our lower strike, and sell two lot call option of Nifty 5000 strike, that is our middle strike, and buy one call option of Nifty 5100 strike, that is our higher strike. That is what it is called call butterfly. Please also note that even if we buy one 4500 call and sell two call of 4600 and buy one call of 4700 call, that is also a long butterfly. The logic is same. We buy lower strike call, sell middle strike two calls and buy one higher strike call option with the same expiry to make a long call butterfly. Let's see in a detail. First we buy 4900 call. Here we can see that we are incurred limited loss when market falls, and we will make unlimited profit when market is rising. You can see the chart below also that when market is above 4900 we are making unlimited profit, and below 4900 we are making loss, that is limited up to premium. Payoff of 4900 buy call option. We can see the payoff graph also. Here we are incurring limited loss on bearish side, that is here in the table, where we are losing money up to the premium, and we are earning unlimited profit on bullish side. Anything above 4900 we are incurring unlimited profit. Sell 5000 call option double quantity. Now we are selling 5000 strike call option and can see that sell call is incurring losses when market goes up and gives us limited profit when market comes down. On a contrary to buy call option, when we are selling call, we are incurring unlimited loss when the market is rising. You can see as the market is rising more than 5000, we are losing money, that is unlimited loss, and below 5000 we are earning money, but that is limited up to the premium received. Payoff table of 5000 strike sell call. You can see that below 5000 we are earning money, that is limited to the premium, and above 5000 we are losing money, and that is unlimited. Now the last trade, buy 5100 call option. Similar to the 4900 call, 5100 call option will also make unlimited profit on upside, but profit will start from 5100 this time, and it will make limited loss below 5100. Payoff table of 5100 call buy. We can see that payoff of 5100 strike call buy. Here we are incurring limited loss on bearish side. We are losing the premium on anything below 5100 and unlimited profit on bullish side. We are having unlimited profit above 5100. Now, net position for long butterfly. So if we combine all the call option trades, it will become long butterfly for call. This is the table for long butterfly. You can see the payoff table of long butterfly is showing that we will incur limited profit if market remains in the range. We have traded the range that is 4900 to 5100. We have bought 4900 call, sold double quantity of 5000 call, and have bought 5100 call. You can see that between 4900 and 5100 we are having profit that is limited, and anything above 5100 and anything below 4900 we are having loss. That is also a limited loss. The maximum profit we are having, that is 8818, is the maximum that we can earn, and the maximum loss we are having, that is minus 1182, is the maximum loss we can occur into this trade. Long butterfly payoff, you can see that in the payoff also, that between 4900 to 5100, this is the range in which we will make profit, and anything above that and anything below that we will have a loss. Delta for long butterfly. You can see the table over here for delta. The portfolio delta table of long butterfly is showing that we are delta long when there is a downward movement, and we are delta short when there is a upward movement. You can see that anything above 5100 we are having delta short, and anything below 5000 we are having delta long. You can see the same thing in the chart also, that anything near to 5100 and above we are having delta short, and anything below 5000 we are having delta long. Gamma table for long butterfly. Our portfolio gamma will be short nearer to middle strike and will be long above and below the middle strike price. You can see that we have traded the range that is 4900 and 5100. Nearer to this range we are having delta short, gamma short. Anything above the range that is above 5100 and below 4900, as the market is moving upside we are having gamma long, and below we are having gamma long also. You can see the same thing in the chart also, that in the range we are having gamma short. As soon as we breach the range, upper side or lower side will be gamma long. Vega table for long butterfly. Like gamma, our portfolio Vega will also be short near to middle strike and will be long above and below the middle strike price. Same like gamma, Vega has also the similar pattern. You can see that near to the range of 4900 to 5100 we are having a Vega short, but as soon as we move above or below the range we are having a Vega long. We have a similar graph of Vega also, where within the range we are Vega short, and as we move out of range above or below we are having Vega long. Theta table for long butterfly. Portfolio theta will be positive near to middle strike and will be negative if there is a sharp rise or a sharp fall. On a contrary to gamma and Vega, we are having theta long at the range level from 4900 to 5100. But as we have a sharp decline or a sharp rise, we will be theta short. Here you can see the same thing in chart also, that within the range we are having theta long, and as we move out of range we are getting theta short. Volga table for long butterfly. Volga will be negative on higher strike price and positive on a below strike price. But sharp rise will have positive Volga and sharp decline will have negative Volga. You can see in the table over here that we are having negative Volga above our higher strike price, that is 5100, and below 5100 within the trading range we are having Volga that is positive. As we have a sharp decline or a sharp rise, we will change in Volga. On a decline side we will change Volga to positive on a sharp decline, and on a sharp rise we will change Volga to positive. Volga graph, you can see the same thing in the graph also. We are having positive Volga near to the range, and as we move out of the range Volga gets negative, and again on a sharp rise we are having a slightly positive Volga. Same towards the below side also, as there is a downside movement we come to negative Volga. On a sharp decline we will have a slightly positive Volga. Vana table for a long butterfly. Vana will be positive on a higher strike and negative on below higher and middle strike level. But a sharp rise will have a negative Vana and a sharp decline will have a positive Vana. You can see in the table that above 5100 and near to 5100 we are having a positive Vana, and below 5100 nearer to the trading range, that is 4900 and 5100, we are having a negative Vana. But any sharp decline will have a positive Vana, and any sharp rise will have negative Vana. You can see a Vana graph also, where 5100 and above level we are having a long Vana on, and a sharp rise will have a negative Vana for us. And same towards the downside also, we are having a negative Vana below 5100, and as soon as there is a sharp rise, sharp fall rather, we will have a rise in Vana. risk return profile. A maximum loss is limited up to the net premium paid. Worst case scenario is market or stock breaking its range upper side or lower side. In our example, it is 5100 on upper side and 4900 on lower side. Market breaking any of the range, we will have the maximum loss, that is the net premium paid. The net premium paid will be premium paid for buying 4900 call and 5100 call less premium received for selling double call of 5000. It can earn limited profit only, and profit will be a strike difference minus the net premium paid. We have traded the strike, that is 4900, 5000 and 5100. We have a strike difference of 100, and the premium, if you minus the net premium paid, that is the maximum profit we can earn from this call butterfly. Now let's understand the 3 trades we have made. Now we summarize the long butterfly. We have made 3 trades for long butterfly. We have buy 4900 call, sold 5000 call twice, and have bought 5100 call. The portfolio Greeks for long butterfly will be, we will have delta negative on upper side, neutral near to the middle, and positive on a lower side. Gamma will be positive on upper side, negative near to the middle strike, and positive again on a lower side. Vega will be positive on upper side, negative on middle range, and positive again towards the lower side. Theta on the contrary will be negative on upper side, will be positive nearer to the middle range, and again go back to negative towards the lower side. When to initiate long butterfly strategy? When market looks low volatile and moving in a range, we can execute a long butterfly. Buying lower strike call and selling twice the middle strike call, and buying upper strike call will limit your loss. Taking limited risk of premium paid. We are taking a limited risk, that is up to the premium paid, and desire to earn from the range bound market. We have a desire to earn from a range we have traded. The problem or risk in long butterfly. Time decay. As the theta is negative nearer to the trading range, it incurs losses as the time passes. Risk profile and break-even point. Maximum risk, that is net premium paid. Maximum reward, limited on either side movement, minus net premium paid. Break-even point. There are 2 break-even points here. On a lower side call, that is 4900 in our example, plus the net premium paid, or the higher side call option, that is 5100 minus the net premium paid. For more details, contact us on, you can visit our website, that is www.finideas.com, and you can email us on info@finideas.com. You can also call us on 93749 85600. Thank you very much.